Shaheen. Okay, Michael or drama? What do you love?
Acting, yeah, I should say acting. That's what I do and that's what I like.
Any good or bad memories of the audition? First audition, मतलब क्या याद है आपको मतलब audition?
Bad memories, good memories. I remember for Kya Mast Hai Life, my first show, I didn't know nothing about acting, and this guy, when he came to know that I do dance, he asked me to dance, and that's how my first audition went.
Erika, आपके कोई memories first audition?
I don't remember. I don't remember. I think I had auditioned for a commercial probably. I'm not very, but I was pretty nervous at that point of time because I was not from the industry. I had not done anything of that sort before. So it was not easy for me to even say a line properly.
Okay, first thing that came in your mind when you saw the Shaheen for the first time?
First thing which came into your mind when you saw me for the first. First thing which came into your mind.
So he had light eyes, so I like light eyes. Like you don't have black eyes, you have light brown eyes.
Same goes to your Shaheen जब आपने Erika को first time
It was I had like this feeling of relief that somebody who is like confident, and I felt that she suited the character because I was looking for someone who can fit the bill of this character. We had been looking for a main lead for quite some time. काफी आखिर में जाके वो फाइनल हुई है. तो I was like very I was wanting to know कि कौन है, कौन play कर रहा है and how she looks. So I was very convinced that she can play this character.
Okay, a fan moment. Crazy fan या कोई ऐसे cross कभी आया?
I don't know what to say. I don't know anything.
Just today in the afternoon, two girls had come. They got some gifts or something, and one of them, she started crying, and I felt so bad. Her name is, I forgot her name. I'm very bad with names. Apurva, and she started. What can I do when somebody does something like that? She has been watching all my shows and all that. I remember her fan moment. Yeah. This auntie came up to her and she's like, "आप तो off screen भी अच्छे दिखते हो." And
लेकिन on screen और थोड़े healthy लगते हो.
I know. Whenever we go out, the best thing about this show is that everyone is watching the show, so we get appreciation from all classes of the society. That's a very good thing about this show.
I forgot about that completely.
Yeah.
Okay, favorite person on set?
One person, two people.
I mean, उनके साथ आप ज़्यादा करके रहते हो?
Mind him.
For me? No. Actually, because I started shooting with Ma, so there was already a bond
Supriya ji.
when
We mean.
Supriya ji and we were shooting. When she had come, initially, we didn't know because we had been shooting like for almost 10-15 days when you first.
Yeah, I came towards the end of it.
Almost a month we shot without her.
Yeah.
So we were not sure if she will be able to gel in and we'll be able to make one gang. But eventually, we have formed this trio, actually. And we are happy together, all three of us.
Okay, superpower you would wish to have?
To read people's minds.
I don't want to do that. Oh my God! I would never want to do that. The person who is capable of doing that must be going through hell. No, but what I would want to do is, what superpower? Batao. I wish I could go invisible.
I was going to say the same thing.
No, I wish I had a superpower of disappearing things.
Disappearing things.
Yeah. Not me go invisible, but just like I say, this car disappears and it goes away. Like nowhere in the world you can find it again.
So you can disappear a lot of people in the video.
No, I just want to clean the society. That's all.
Okay, one Bollywood dialogue that comes to your mind when you say sad.
Sad.
मतलब दुखी.
I am very bad with all these things. I don't watch too many movies, so you cannot ask me. Ask me.
Any English dialogue?
Said Bollywood movies.
You can say something.
Yeah, you can.
Sad.
Okay, romance.
क्या बोलूं?
Romance.
दादी?
Dadi.
अरे तुम बोलो ना. मुझे कुछ नहीं आता.
Sad तो मैं Pushpa I hate tears वाला है. And romance, whenever you think of romance, you think of Shah Rukh Khan.
Khan.
Yeah. Or pass.
Because I-
Or pass.
बारिश में क्या करते
I love rains.
नहीं,
मुझे
नहीं,
बारिश
नहीं.
बहुत पसंद है. I always sing this song, Paigam Laya Savan, whenever, it's even when it's cloudy or when it's raining. You know any Barish wala song?
भीगी भीगी रातों में.
Gee.
No, I don't even know the song completely. English song is Raindrops Keep Falling on My Head. That is when I have my coffee and I'm sitting by the window. That's something.
You are not supposed to have coffee, I feel. I thought.
No, sometimes I
Okay,
don't
okay.
have coffee too often. Okay. So sometimes, very rarely I have coffee.
Okay, prank you remember as a child.
As a child?
मतलब बचपन में जब किसी ने prank किया या आप पर किसी ने prank किया.
You have?
Yeah. Okay, Jackie. But what prank? As a child or lately?
कोई भी.
I remember when I was shooting for my Kannada film, I had to be doing a fight sequence and this whole kidnapping sequence. So this guy comes and holds a knife on my throat. So they're holding a fake knife, and now I had my hairstylist who is with me. He used to always get scared of all these things. Even if you go and touch her like that, she used to get scared. So I asked one of the stunt guys to go hold that knife, put some fake blood on it, and slit her throat. He did that and she freaked out. She put her hand and she had like blood. I still have that video. She freaked out. She was like, Madam! I still have that video with me. That was fun.
I don't remember much. I just keep troubling people. I generally don't play pranks. I'm too
Oh,
serious.
the prank you played with me.
Oh, when I called you as a South Indian
Yeah.
producer. And I had this accent. Which is very bad.
It was very bad. And I was later wondering how.
But she couldn't recognize
I
it was
couldn't.
me.
I was later wondering how can a South Indian person speak such good Hindi.
Yeah.
One last Bollywood actor you wish to date.
Date? None.
Why?
None.
Come on, you think our Bollywood doesn't have good-looking men?
No. So I do not want to date any. That's it. They're good to look at.
Right, Bollywood actress.
I would like to date? No. I'm not into dating.
Finally, message to all your fans or what
It's undoubtedly one of the shows everyone is talking about,
Yeah.
and everyone is liking the show. And if you haven't seen it till now, if you
You
haven't
gotta
seen
watch
any of
it.
the episodes, please do watch it. It's a beautiful show. You will fall in love with the show, and if you have ever felt that feeling inside you, you will like this show.
कुछ कुछ होता है. तुम नहीं
Gee. That's the dialogue. Now she remembers a Hindi dialogue, which, whenever she thinks about romance. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay? और कुछ बोलना है?
Mm-mm.
Thank you so much.